My favorite closing tip, hands down, is the if-then close. It's a great closing technique to make your client feel acknowledged and validated and put a call to action at the end. And it's a very simple closing question. It's, hey, Mr. Prospect, if we could come back and deliver all of these great things you talked about, if we could change these things that you specifically said you wanted to do differently, then is there any reason why we shouldn't work together? It's a very simple closing technique. Try it. I promise it's going to work.
I think the reason why a lot of people have a tough time with closing is because they have the improper belief on what closing is. I think a lot of people believe closing is about getting people to say yes. And because of that belief, it causes people to be very uncomfortable because they don't want to manipulate folks. And I believe closing is a process of helping people to make decisions based not on what's most comfortable in the short term, but helping people make decisions based on what's best for them in the long term.
One of the closing techniques I love to use when I'm coaching someone or I'm working with somebody is the crystal ball close. And what that looks like is, hey, 12 months from now, where do you want to be at? What do things look like for you? How are you feeling? When you give that question to someone, they're actually working in their mind, they're painting that picture of what things will look like when they're operating on all those cylinders. So try that question. It's called a crystal ball close, and you'll see how excited your clients will actually feel and share with you where they want to be 12 months from now or 6 months from now.